Namaskar, welcome to vthwealth.com. In this video, let us discuss the difference between bonus and split. Bonus and split are two well-known corporate actions taken by publicly listed companies to boost the number of shares traded in the share market. Let us understand the difference between bonus and split and why these corporate actions are taken, how this will impact the shareholders. Bonus is also called as a capitalization issue. It offers additional share to the existing shareholders without any additional cost. There is a financial impact for the company as the shares are funded using the reserves of the company. Let us understand with this picture. Suppose company declares a 1:1 bonus. It means if you have a 1 share, you will receive 1 additional share as a bonus without any additional cost. Suppose you have 100 shares, you will receive 100 shares additionally without any additional cost. In this picture, shareholder has 10 shares with him and company declares 1:1 bonus. It means he will receive 10 additional shares. It means now the shareholder will have total 20 shares. Let us understand this example. In 2018, Infosys has declared bonus, 1:1 bonus. The number of shares after bonus compared to the number of shares before bonus are double. The impact of the bonus is that it increases the number of shares in the market, thereby it reduces the stock price in proportion to the bonus ratio. Reduced stock price increases the buy and sell transactions in the share market for that particular share, as more and more people can afford to buy that share. The impact of the bonus is that number of shares increases, book value per share reduces, earnings per share reduces, stock price reduces, but total value of the company remains same. Let us understand bonus with this illustration. This is a 1:1 bonus. Company value is 1000 before bonus declaration. After bonus declaration also company value is 1000. Number of shares are 10 before bonus. After 1:2 bonus, number of shares becomes 20. Before bonus, value per share is total value of the company divided by number of shares, that is 100 rupees. That is a value per share. After bonus, value per share is number of shares divided number of company value divided by number of shares, that is 1000 divided by 20, that will become 50. Here face value remains same, but share price reduces. The company reserves will be affected as these bonus shares are funded using the company reserves. Now let us understand split. Split is also another corporate action in which company divides the existing shares into multiple shares to boost the liquidity in the market. Split is generally undertaken when the share price is high. Split increases the number of shares, thereby it reduces the share price. Let us understand the split with this picture. Assume you have a 100 rupees notes and we performed 1:2 split. It means 1 is divided into 2. After division, you will have a 2 notes of 50 rupees each. Let us understand the split with this example. In 2018, Britannia has performed a split, 1:2 split of its share. Before split, there were total 25 crore shares. After split, it became total of 50 crore shares. Before split, face value of the share was 2 rupees. After split, face value became 1 rupees. In case of split, the only thing gets divided is the face value. The primary motive of the split is to make the shares affordable for the retail investors. Understand the split with this illustration. Suppose there are 10 shares with the shareholder before the split. After split, 1:2 split, shareholder will have 20 shares. Suppose face value of the share is 10 rupees before the split. After split, face value will be 5 rupees. Company value remains same. The face value and share price reduces in case of the split. Now we have understood bonus and split. In case of both bonus and split, fundamentals of the company remain same. The sales remains same, profit remains same, company value remains same. The two things that get affected are, in case of split, face value reduced in proportion to the split ratio. In case of bonus, company reserves will be affected as the bonus shares are funded using the reserves. Let us understand the split versus bonus with this illustration. Suppose the stock price is 100 rupees and after 1:1 bonus, stock price will become 50, and after 1:2 split, stock price will become 50. The face value is 10 rupees. Then after bonus, face value will not change. After 1:2 split, 1:2 split, face value become 5 rupees. The number of shares, initially it was 1000. After 1:1 bonus, it became 2000. After 1:2 split, it became 2000. Market capital was 100k and market capital was 100k. It remained 100k after bonus and split. Reserves, in case of bonus, reserves got reduced. In case of split, reserve remains same. To summarize, bonus is an additional shares given to the existing shareholders without any additional cost. The split is a same share is divided into two or more shares based on the split ratio. In case of bonus, the face value of the share remains same. In case of split, face value of the share reduces based on the split ratio. In case of bonus, there is a financial impact for the company as these bonus shares are funded using the reserves. In case of split, there is no financial impact as only it involves division of the existing shares. Hope this will help you to understand the difference between bonus and split. Thank you for watching. Namaskar.